All right, fished all night. Got a beautiful fat 5.5 here off the triple ledge. We got 22 fish right now. This thing is an absolute beast. That fish. This is a beautiful, beautiful bass. Fall bass off the triple ledge, 5.5. There we go. Markings on that. It's a beautiful. Look how thick that fish is. Gorgeous. All right, let's get her back in. 5.5 pound fall fish. Big gut. There we go. This is gorgeous fish. All right, let's follow her back. Look at that thing. Absolute tank. Ooh. November fishing. Get her back in there. She goes. Beautiful. Ooh. Nice.